What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Today I'm going to show you guys what Play Octopus looks like in motion. We've talked a lot about Play Octopus, and there's a lot of reasons why I think it's an incredible service that, I don't really see a single reason why any driver wouldn't have it because it's free. But I wanted to show you guys this tablet hands-on so you guys can really see and understand the power in this and how it gets customers interacted in the during rides, as well as makes you more money. So obviously, if you don't know what Play Octopus is, the first thing you need to do is go to the link in the description, and you can use our referral code to get started. You'll get a tablet sent to you. The only thing is, make sure you've given 100 rides first. That's the one thing you kind of need to have done to do Play Octopus. And really with stuff like that, you got to think that's just making sure they're not dishing out these, nice expensive tablets to people who are going to give one ride a century. So if you're an active driver, you do relatively good hours part-time, or you're just crushing it full-time, Play Octopus is a must. So basically how it works is you set this tablet up, and I'm going to show you guys in a minute exactly what it looks like. It's actually behind my headrest right now. And then the customers can play games. There's a lot of great games. There's like trivia and just all kinds of different stuff. And as they play games, you make more money. Now, why I think this is so powerful is because it's just an extra offer you have as a driver. This is a great tool to get people doing something in the ride so that when then they're getting out of the ride, they're thinking, oh, that was a great ride. That's cool that guy had those games. Just a little extra boost to try and get you that 5-star rating and possibly a good tip as well. But like I said, guys, the main thing is it's free. You gotta just sign up and do this and get started. So before you do anything else, go to our link in the description, sign up for Play Octopus, and get started so you can make some more money. But now let me show you guys what this thing's all about. Alright guys, so this is what it'll look like from the back seat. Obviously your passenger probably won't be sitting like this, but this is like a good demo view of what the tablet would look like from back here. So right now we've got the trivia starting. What is the name of this candy? Reese's. Piece of cake. Google, easy. What is the name of this landmark? Gotta be, oh boy. Uh-oh guys, I'm stumped. Sheesh. Don't judge me, guys. Thank God. Okay, what is the name of this plant? I'm gonna go with orchid. Sweet. What is the name of this flower? Sunflower. Piece of cake. What show is this cast from? Oh, Ozark. Boom. What movie is this? If you say Robin Hood, go die. The Lord of the Rings. What type of frog is this? Is anybody actually gonna know what type of frog that is? Blue poison dart frog? What is the name of this country? Oh boy. Dang. What is the name of this album? I have no idea. So there's a trivia game, so you can see it's pretty cool. Imagine just being an Uber passenger and you've got something like this back here. Especially if you're one of the more annoying drivers, might not be a bad idea to get this because you might not be the best at talking to people. So there you have it, guys. That's just a brief tour of Play Octopus. There's a lot of other games. Oh, I won 7 tickets. So I have 10 tickets total now, and you can enter those tickets to win prizes. So this is a really dope system. The fact that you can actually win stuff as a passenger in your Uber ride, I'd honestly be stoked if I was a passenger. I still haven't gotten a rideshare driver that has one of these whenever I've taken a ride. So I definitely recommend you guys check out Play Octopus. This is gonna make you money. It's gonna keep your customers engaged. Alrighty guys, so I have it right now set up just in front of my steering wheel. I wanted you guys to see it not backwards. So this is one of the trivia games that's up. The scores come up. I got a whopping 1 point. You can see how I compared to all these passengers all over the, I guess they only show the top 8. But then from there, you can go to your saved tickets. And basically what it'll do is then you can enter in, I think it's your name or your email at the end. Oh, you enter your phone number. That's what it is. Then on top of it, it shows you your driver. You're riding with Greg. Favorite food, tacos. Favorite team or sport, baseball. Yeah, I never updated this, so I think this might be standard answers. But it's a pretty cool app, guys. Tablet, I mean, so this is definitely something you want to check out. I'm telling you guys, you got to get in this, and yeah, go out and crank out that money, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Like I said, check out Play Octopus, like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon.